if you want it. I gave them the drip, they sucked it up, I got them on it. I bought a new paddock, I had to watch, so I two-toned them. Taking these drugs, I'm gonna be up until the morning. If it ain't your car, you just a lease, so you don't own it. If I'm in the club, I got that fire when I'm performing. The back end just came in and all honest. Vibes galore cute, they all on us. I'm from Atlanta where young niggas run shit. I know they hating on me, but I don't read comments. Whenever I tell her to come, she coming. Whenever it's smoke, we ain't running. Too hard, don't stay too cold. You gon' fuck around the ground off this.
What is up, best friends? It's your girl J to the A to the Y, and I'm back again with another hair review. And y'all already know I am on a quest right now to find the perfect unit that is like going to give us what we supposed to be gave for the summer. That's going to give us what needs to be gave for the summer. Yeah, I'm on a quest for that. I'm on a quest to find the wig that you literally take out the box, pop it on your head, and go. And it's so easy and so simple for the summer. And y'all, I think I found it. This unit that I'm currently wearing is a 7x5 by knots wear and go unit from Nadula. It's in the texture Kinky curly, and y'all, let me tell you, it even got the kinky edges, okay? I slick mine down because that's just my preference, but if you one of them girls that just want to go for the naturalness, this is the unit for y'all. Y'all see in the tutorial how it comes straight out the box. Literally, you can plop it on your head and go. If you're the type of girl that like the big hair, this is definitely the unit for you. But if you're a beginner girl and you just want a unit to just throw on your head and you can get out the door, this is the unit for you too. Literally took me 5 minutes to apply this wig, to find my part, slick my edges, and go because it's 100% what? Glueless! Shout out to Nadula for putting the girls on, looking out for us this summer because y'all know, honey, we out the door. We ain't got time. We ain't got time. When the girls call and say pull up with their wine coolers in their hand, we running out the door with them, period. And Nadula got it covered. So if you want to get this unit, I will leave all the information down below in the description bar with all the links, all the specs, what length it is that I got, what type of length I got, all of that good stuff, because you know I got you, baby. You know I got you. And Nadula got us, so what we doing? Oh, purchasing? And don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I'm putting up all the videos for all the girls that try to be outside and shit, baby. It's a hot girl summer. Oh, summer long. Oh, summer long. You heard me. So like I said, subscribe to my channel because you don't want to miss out. Period. I love y'all. And again, thank you to Nadula for watching today's video. And let's get right into it. Bye. Ciao. Welcome back, best friend. Listen, so today I was super excited because this is my first time ever getting a unit to where literally it has a kinky edge. Like, y'all know that I am one of those girls that's like, look, I just feel like it's only so much that I can do. So I really be needing the wig company to be innovative to help me feel like I'm getting something that I've never had before. Nadula said, hold on, baby, we got you. So they sent me over this kinky edge. Y'all heard me. Kinky edge unit. This is in the Jerry Curl texture. This is a part of their Bye Knots wear and go collection. Y'all know that is like the new thing, honey. All of the wigs on my channel at this point is the wear and go, okay? And only so much that I can say about a wear and go. But no, seriously, this one was different because it has the kinky edges. So what that means is if you want to just put this on and make it like it's growing off your scalp, you got new growth, this is the wig for you. Me, myself, personally, as you guys are going to see, and like I stated in the beginning of the video, I wanted to slick mine down, which I love the versatility because it allowed me to do that. Like, get into it. I absolutely love the fact that this wig is literally the epitome of a wear and go, meaning that it is a curly texture, meaning you don't have to do too much work. You don't have to, like, do nothing. When I say we literally looking for the wig that we just put on our head in the cart and go like you be saying on TikTok, this is that girl. However, I am going to have to say this. Nadula has this thing to where some people like it. They like the little ashy lace looking thing. And I love that, you know, if you're that type of girl. But me, I was like, it was a little bit too much, so I had to go in and trim the excess lace. But again, if you are looking to melt this wig down, that excess lace, because it's so thin, I've said this in all of my Nadula videos, I don't know what type of lace they got, but baby, they lace the top tier, so it will melt if you're looking to melt your lace, okay? Okay. At this point, I was like, baby, get into the parting space. I feel like a lot of people don't understand or really appreciate the parting space. When you be seeing these intricate styles on these wigs that these hairstylists be doing, it's because of the lace, okay? The lace allows you to have that. And Nadula said, baby, hold on, we got to. They gave you a 7x5, meaning it's 5 across and 7 going back. That there, you can do all type of style with because it's giving you a frontal without giving you a frontal, like, get into it. So, at this point, I was like, I don't know what I wanted to do. As you can see right here, baby, this thing took care of my whole forehead. I was like, we're going to go ahead and flop it over to the side. We can just go flop it over to the side and give her what she wants to behave. Like, I wanted to do a flip over, and that is what I was doing in the video, but I ended up off camera doing a part because, girl, that's what I wanted. Right here, you're seeing how easy the kinky edges slick down. And I feel like don't let them intimidate you because when you think about kinky edges, you're like, baby, my edges are already kinky on my natural hair. I don't want to have to deal with it. But no, seriously. These edges laid down with this monkey gunk, baby, and it stayed. So, again, shout out to Nadula because I don't know who y'all got in y'all factory, what y'all doing y'all big one. Like, get into it. Look how big this hair is. Look how beautiful she is. I think I want to go in and cut it into a bob. So y'all go add me on Instagram because I think that's where I'm going to do that at. Okay, period. I went in with some water, and as you can see, I did have a little struggle with combing this hair out because, baby, she was tight, okay? She was tight. But, honey, I just went in with some water, and I defined her with a little bit of curl mousse, baby, and she gave what was supposed to be gave. Like, I was just like, baby, shout out to Nadula. I can't say it enough. So, I'm going to stop talking at this point because I just want y'all to get into it. The hair speaks for itself. I'll leave all the links and everything that you need down below in the description bar. Go on over to Nadula. Check them out, baby. Like I said, this is the wig that you're going to throw on your head and go. Nadula, thank you, baby. Thank you for putting me and my girls on. Period. I love y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next video. And don't forget to what? Hit that subscribe button because, girl, you don't know what the next week I'm going to bring. So, be ready. Be ready and be prepared. Okay? Love ya. Bye. I mean, seriously though, like, is she not giving? And this is without a part. This is without, me doing my extra big one. But, girl, go get you one, girl. Go get you one. Bye.